Hey everyone, this is C Crypto Daily Buzz. Today is July 14th, 2026. This channel summarizes the most important crypto news for investors in Southeast Asia. Bitcoin has slipped to $61,959, and Ethereum is trading at $1,764, both down more than 2% on the day. Today we cover three stories. First, Thailand's central bank and SEC are jointly auditing high-value USDT transactions ahead of a Q4 rollout. Second, Bitcoin dropped below $63,000 on rising macro concerns just before the June CPI print. Third, Japan's Progmat migrated $3 billion in tokenized securities to Avalanche as BlackRock's BUIDL fund passes $900 million on the same chain. Story 1. The Bank of Thailand and Thailand's SEC are jointly reviewing high-value USDT transactions, with rules expected to take effect in the fourth quarter of 2026. Any individual depositing 5 million baht, roughly $150,000, in cash will need to document the source of funds. Regulators are focused on identifying the beneficial owner behind unusually large USDT flows. For Filipino, Vietnamese, and Indonesian users, this matters because Thailand is a major crypto corridor, and the framework often becomes a regional template. Expect tighter KYC and slower OTC settlement on Thai venues, and keep large USDT movements documented in advance. Story 2. Bitcoin slipped below $63,000, trading near $61,959 as geopolitical tension pushed oil higher and revived inflation concerns. Ethereum dropped in tandem to $1,764. All eyes now shift to the June CPI print releasing July 14th, with core CPI expected around 2.9% year-over-year. Citi, meanwhile, trimmed its 12-month Bitcoin target from $112,000 to $82,000. For Southeast Asia investors, this is a defensive setup, not a breakdown. Retail-leveraged users in Manila, Ho Chi Minh City, and Jakarta should wait for a daily close back above $64,000 before adding risk. Story 3. Japanese tokenization platform Progmat, backed by major Japanese bank infrastructure, migrated approximately 452 billion yen, or about $3 billion, in tokenized security projects onto Avalanche L1. The migration improves rights transfer speeds 3 to 5 times and cuts settlement confirmation to under 2 seconds. Separately, BlackRock's tokenized treasury fund BUIDL crossed $900 million in Avalanche assets after a 105% weekly jump. For Southeast Asia investors, this is a structural signal that regulated Asian tokenization rails and global asset manager RWA products are converging on the same chain. Filipino OFW remittance users and Vietnamese institutional traders should watch which regional issuers plug into Avalanche next. Today's three stories in one line each. 1. Thailand's central bank and SEC launched a joint audit of high-value USDT transactions ahead of a fourth quarter rollout. 2. Bitcoin fell below $63,000 on macro concerns just before the June CPI print, with Citi cutting its target to $82,000. 3. Japan's Progmat moved $3 billion in tokenized securities to Avalanche as BlackRock's BUIDL fund passed $900 million on the same chain. This video is for information and education only and is not financial advice. All investment decisions and risks are your own responsibility. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. And if you want more chart analysis and trading insights, join our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. See you in the next one.